Take my hand and you show me everything you'd ever imagine. Ooh, you show me all your love. You show me everything. You love me. You gave me all that you can. I wanna thank you. I want to love you. I say that I won't go anywhere. I want to tell you all the things that you've done for me. You are my lover, you are my very best friend. Tell me all of your dreams and all of your plans. Give me your heart, give me your soul, and I'll give you everything, everything I have. I will give you my whole world. You just promise me you won't break my heart. You won't break. You won't break. You won't break my heart. My heart, my heart. I wanna show you, I wanna give it all to you. It's gonna take a while for me to give you that try. But you just trust me, you don't give up, don't you give in. I'm telling you, I'm working on me. I love you more than life itself. You're my lover and you are my best friend. Don't you give up. I love you so much. Dreamer. And you make me want to say, oh, why, why, why? Give me that one special chance and I promise you I'll give you. Hi, my name is Aisha Miller and that was a song. One of the songs that I wrote and it's called Give Me the World. Um, so yeah. Bye.